Margaret's really named after my mum. A very generous woman, amazing and very family orientated. And I guess I bring part of that into building culture in the restaurant. Hi, I'm Neil Perry. This is my beautiful new restaurant, Margaret. Margaret is here in Double Bay. It's meant to be a really sophisticated neighbourhood restaurant that has its own wonderful atmosphere. The food is really, the most beautiful produce in Australia, and we try not to muck it up. It's sort of simple and sophisticated, but it's brought together by the craft that we bring to the cooking and the craft to service and craft to drink making. So all together, it's not really meant to reinvent the wheel as opposed to be the best wheel that there is. Well, I think what makes Margaret unique is that really beautiful blend of incredible ingredients, lots of overlay of native ingredients, beautiful seafood. We're really a seafood restaurant that does other things. And our fishermen are just looking after us so well, catching beautiful fish, sending it straight to us. We dry fillet it, kiss the grill with the fish and then send it out. Richard, who's the chef here, and myself work really closely together. He's been working with me for many years and we think very similarly about food. A few of my Asian influences in here sit nicely with the Mediterranean influences that we have. Tom's doing a great job in the bar of sourcing locally produced spirits that have sometimes, some native overflow in the aromatics, and we're blending those into the native Negroni. Is really awesome. Every dish is on the menu because I love it, so it's hard to sort of say which is my favourite. All the dishes are selling equally well, which is incredible in a menu, so it must be, beautifully balanced. Double Bay is awesome. I've lived in the eastern suburbs most of my adult life. This is my place that I come to shop and do things, and it's a great village. Lots of people just walk straight to the restaurant from their house or their apartment, and it feels like we need to look after those locals, but at the same time, the restaurant feels equally that people would love to come in from overseas and come and experience, Neil Perry's food and what that's like here in Double Bay. But we also want to make sure that people have a home where they can walk down the street and sit in the restaurant and have some oysters and a glass of wine if they want. Everyone's been incredibly enthusiastic about the experience that we've been giving them. Even now, as time's winding and they've been to more restaurants, they're really loving coming to this one.